Hello students, welcome to Snehit Siddhganga City Central English Medium High School. So let's continue with our third chapter, that is Before the Match, written by R.K. Narayan, and it has took from his very first novel, that is Swami and His Friends. And in the last class we have seen that there is a discussion about a tournament of match going to be held after the 2 weeks, and 3 characters are discussed. One is Rajam, who is very much confident that he will win the match from the opposite team, that is YMU. And second one is Mani, who is very stable and inactive in the team. And third one is Swami, called Swaminathan, who is very good player, means very good bowler, and whole the match is depend on him. So Rajam is requesting Swaminathan to pleasing Swaminathan to be present in the evening for the practice of the match. So children, all of you open your page number 19, last paragraph. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan released that his evening were more precious than ever. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. But contrary to the customs, he had not taken off his coat and cap. So children, what happened? Swaminathan was studying in the another school, and the 2 boys Mani and Rajam were studying in the same school. So these 2 children, Rajam and Mani, will be always be present for the practice on the ground. But the match, who was the main player called Swaminathan, was in the other school, and he used to come late for the practice of the match because his last class was of the drill. Drill means exercises took in the school. That was the last class called drill. And in this paragraph it is said that after 7 days, after 1 week, the match was there. Before only Rajam was pleasing to Swaminathan, but he was not taking any interest on the words of the Rajam. But before 1 week he understood that it is very important for me to be present for the practice of the match. And here Swaminathan wanted to be present in the ground for the practice of the cricket match, and he understood that these 1 week evening of practice of match is very precious. It means very important for me to win the match. And in the school, at the evening time when the bell rang, there was a period for the drill. All the children were in the line to the ground to the practice of to practice the drill, but Swaminathan went to the ground. All the children were ready for their drill practice. They removed their coats and caps to practice the drill, but Swaminathan was opposite. Contrary means opposite. He was not removing his cap and coat. Excuse me. He has not removed his coat and cap. He was standing same as it is. All the others were in their shirts with their dhoti tucked up. The drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down, and passed on muttering. So what happened here? The drill master was moving around all the children, and he was instructing the children to get ready for the drill. So all the children were in the shirts. They have removed their coats and cap, and even they have tucked that dhotis up so that it should not get stuck in the legs when there is practice of the drill. But this Swaminathan was totally opposite. He was not doing any movement, just he was standing with the coat, cap, and even he has not tucked his dhoti also. Then drill master stopped before him. He came in front of this one Swaminathan, and he started saying, muttering means started saying few words to the Swami. You won't get leave. Coat and cap off. Swaminathan became separated and preceded him. So what happened now? What the words drill master was saying to Swaminathan, that you will not get any leave, means I am not going to leave you. You will not skip this drill exercise class. You have to get ready for that. So remove your coat and cap. But Swaminathan was very much disappointed, and he started, preceded means he started continuing to say something. What he is saying, Swaminathan, sir, I am in a troubled state of mind. I cannot attend drill today. I shall die if I do. So what the word Swaminathan is saying? Swaminathan is saying to the drill master that his health is not good, and if he will do the drill practice, then he may die. Okay. At least today I am not going to practice the drill. The drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was dogging him. Means the drill master was moving around the children from first boy to the last boy. The drill master was moving, but this Swaminathan was behind him. Dogging is behind him, saying these words that he is not feeling well, and let him take leave, let him go. Please excuse him today for not practicing the drill. He turned round on Swaminathan with a fierce oath. What is the matter with you? So now, by seeing this, the drill master was very annoyed on him, and he was in a very anger mood. He asked Swaminathan, what is the matter? Why you are doing like this? So why you are behind of me? Sir, the whole of the night I have delirious. Delirious means in the state of coma, means like not in the conscious mind. Okay. So Swaminathan is saying that whole night he was suffering from the delirious, means he was not in a good state of mind, and he was unconscious way. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You are delirious? So now the drill master was very much shocking. This small boy is suffering from the delirious, and he started asking me, you were suffering. I did not sleep a wink last night. I was delirious. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. So now let's see what Swaminathan is saying. Swaminathan is lying to his drill master that my doctor has told me that I am suffering from the delirious disease, and because of this very dangerous disease, my doctor has told not to attend the drill for a week. I don't believe a word. Get out now. These words are of the drill master to the Swaminathan boy, and the master got to know that he is lying something, so he don't want to listen his nonsense words, and he told him, get out from here, means go out from here. Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. Now, as children, you have studied in the last video that Rajam was requesting Swaminathan at least for a week practiced faithfully with the match. So today when they saw all, when the team all saw Swaminathan on the ground, so Rajam and the team was very happy by seeing Swaminathan on the ground, and Rajam started jumping with joy. Okay children, now the last morning he formed a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. Now this is the activity of the Swaminathan. So next morning what happened? Swaminathan was planning for something. So it was in the early morning and it was still 7:30 in the morning. Swaminathan, there was still 2.5 hours to get ready for the school to Swaminathan. Let's see what he is doing now. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. So what happened here? Swaminathan, he slipped means he quietly went out from his house. Okay, now let's see where he went. He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board. He quietly went from his house to the shop where there was a board hanged. Hung means where there was a board hanged, means hoarding was there. Which hoarding it was? Dr. T. Keshavan, LM and S. Shri Krishna Dispensary. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. So Swaminathan went to the doctor, means dispensary, means went to the clinic there, and his name was T. Keshavan. The doctor's name was T. Keshavan. He went to that clinic and he saw that doctor is free and he is sitting alone. Fine children. Fine children, in the next video let's see what Swaminathan is going to do. Okay children, read the paragraph which I have taught today, page number 19 and 20. Thank you children.